Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI Image Generator for free. Now, what I want you to do is just come here to grokimagine.ai, okay? And then you come here at the top, right click on login, and make sure you don't just enter email address. You go ahead and continue with Google because they give you free credits to use. I'm already logged in with my Google account. And as you can see right here, if I click on this icon at the top, this is my credits, I get daily bonuses. So every day I can claim 10 credits to go ahead and use. So then you just come here, left-hand panel, the navigation menu. So we want to use the AI image generator. You can do text to image, for example. So I'll click here, mode, I'll keep it at normal. Let's do standard quality and let's enter an image prompt. So this is a sample prompt. Okay, choose your resolution. I'll choose 16 by 9, basically landscape. And my prompt is this. Describing, first of all, the character, a majestic cyberpunk, style cat. So style is here. Okay, the subject is here. And what they're wearing. They're wearing a glowing neon armor where they're sitting. So this is the setting, basically, as you can see, right? We're setting the scene here, highly detailed cinematic lighting. So that's the style, 8K digital painting. If you want, there's advanced settings as well. If you want to use your own seed to maintain characters. Otherwise, you can just come here, click on it, generate image. And there you go. Our image is now being generated. And if it does fail, then credits will automatically be refunded. They're not deducted, okay? And here you can see the seed, and our image is here as well. Really good image. And if you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and download this image, right? Right click, save image as. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.